At Lyrtion, we take pride in our surface mount technology, SMT assembly service. We employ cutting-edge equipment and the latest techniques to guarantee the exact placement of surface mount components on PCBs. Our advanced SMT assembly capabilities are designed to handle complex electronic designs with both high speed and extreme accuracy. Whether you are in need of prototype assembly for initial product testing or high-volume production for large-scale distribution, our SMT assembly service is the ideal choice. We are committed to delivering outstanding quality and remarkable efficiency, ensuring that all your project requirements are met to the fullest. When it comes to selecting a PC assembly supplier, Lyrtion stands out. We offer unparalleled quality, top-notch efficiency, and in-depth expertise in the field. Don't hesitate to reach out to Lyrtion if you have any PCB assembly questions. Our dedicated team will be with you at every stage of your project, providing support and guidance to ensure your success.